If you wear safety glasses on the job, you know the typical problems. They don't always fit correctly on the bridge of the nose, and they're not very comfortable to wear with a respirator mask. At Moldex, we're excited to introduce Adapt, award-winning industrial and medical eyewear featuring superior comfort, style, and functionality. They work great on their own or with Moldex respiratory protection. We created space around the nose and added a flexible flange that not only adapts to the bridge of the nose, but also provides a protective barrier below the eyes. Adapt uses an optically correct toric-shaped lens for a close fit to the eyes, something that cannot be achieved with traditional spherical lenses. It's the first safety eyewear of its kind. With Adapt, you get top-notch protection with or without a respirator, and you will immediately notice a difference in comfort. Flexible temples ensure a secure fit with minimal pressure, and the self-adjusting ceiling flange and ultralight construction make wearing Adapt barely noticeable. It's a combination of comfort, protection, and an outstanding field of vision. The close-fitting design with a lower flange also helps to provide additional protection from flying particles. The UV, anti-fog, and anti-scratch coatings help users see clearly through the toughest conditions. If you've grown tired of the typical safety eyewear and wonder if there's a better option, well, now there is. To try Adapt glasses for yourself, talk to your local Moldex distributor or contact us directly at moldex.com. Adapt. Eyewear evolved.